What's going on? Oh, pretty day. Motorcycles are out. Got some exciting things going on in the garden. Sweet corn's up. We planted about, I think, a pound of sweet corn from our local seed company, I guess you'd say. Farm store, not a big box store, but they sell it by the pound or the cup. But that means since the sweet corn is up, it's time to start working on weeds. We got pretty lucky. We got everything in the ground right before it started raining, and then it rained, and it rained, and it rained, and it rained some more. Hopefully Lila don't step all over it, but basically this is just gonna be a video of me weeding the garden. Not the straightest rows in the world, but planting by hand, I'll take it. Deer fence seems to be working. Just an electric fence with a 5 mile, I don't know how many joules it is, but it says it'll do up to 5 miles. And I guess I left it off because Lila's touching it and it ain't shocking her. So I'm just using a stirrup hoe. Does pretty good. I do try to sharpen the blade just a little bit. I mean, it doesn't need to be like a knife, but it does help if there is an edge to it. This corn might actually be a little too young. I can almost barely see it with the sun, but I'm gonna try to get on it this year. I've been real bad about keeping the weeds out of the garden. It usually turns into more of a jungle than anything. Alright, got all the rows cleaned up. I'm gonna show y'all something. See if I can get any advice from you all. Here we go. Rock. Rock, rock, rock. 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 Rocks, 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 rocks. Rocks for days. This is actual gravel. So they just use this spot to basically store gravel forever. And we have hand-picked rock. And we've used them for like our ditch line, stuff like that. But it really makes things hard. You can really hear them bounce around in the tiller. So do we just keep hand-picking rock? Or is there something I can get, something I can build for the tractor? Thought about some kind of sifter. Like even a small one, like a 4x6. And basically just till it up, keep sifting out the rock. I mean, I can use the rock, put it in. We got like a big roadside ditch that's constantly like eroding away that I can use for backfill. But over there, right in that area, we had the same deal. Like we found another rock. Our property used to be a bird farm back in the day. And they had a bunch of buildings with gravel, and this just must have been a place where they originally dumped it or stored it, or who knows. So But we'll go check on some of these other plants here real quick, and we'll let y'all get back to your day. Definitely tell the cucumbers have gotten way too much water. But when it rains, I just don't know what to do. But today's supposed to be good and sunny. Yesterday was good and sunny. So we'll let things dry out before we start getting some fertilizer on them. Some liquid fertilizer or compost tea. We had some big tornadoes come through Kentucky, and I guess I didn't have my wooden stakes down deep enough, and they were all knocked over. But I was able to get them back in the ground this morning. One last thing we're gonna do is check on the new egg layers. I don't think I've got them on camera too much. They're just hanging out in the shade right now. Let's see how to adjust this. So we basically can't keep up with selling eggs. So we bought 50 more egg layers. So these just lay the traditional brown egg, and about 300 a year. A little feisty, but it's good. So they all seem to be doing good, plenty of water, pretty active. It's pretty warm out, but that's good, they're active. So they do have a new coop coming. It's a new mobile coop. I know there's like a million chicken coop, mobile coop, Justin Road style. I forget the other guy's name, but he does like the triangle style. There's a million, but I'm gonna make it 1,000,001. That'll be a new video coming up. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I hope it's going to be the best of both worlds with this new coop. Mobile, but free range, you know, just best of both worlds. So, all right, well, we'll see you on the next one.